Welcome to the Vicious Six.
Hello? Everybody here for the interview? Me too. What do you drive? I got a jet bike.
They're ready to see you, Mr. Gruov.
Oh, good. Great. Here we go. Distinguished villains, my name is Gruov. I feel like I'm talking too loud even though our proximity doesn't require this kind of volume.
You seriously think a puny little child can be a villain?
Yes, I am pretty despicable. You don't want to cross me?
Come back when you've done something evil to impress me. He took the stone! There's that little thief! Go, go, go!
Otto, take the stone back to the lair. I'll distract them.
I'll handle this!
This is the biggest day of my life. This kid just stole something from the worst villains in the world.
Time to strike!
Now I will be a super villain. Now all I need is Otto. Where is Otto?
Sí. Punya poso para ti la pata.
Are you pulling on my legs right now? Otto, where's the stone?
Big storia. Porca le tondros, quando le pari mene. Il maco, vai berghe. La papitoirelle. Oh no, la partida, la bola. Basta, l'amico, non le posso stoppare. Mahiu, la ghetta. Papagato, parenti. E là, la punella. Oh là là, le pelo bellissimo. La chiruto. Topissimo, no?
Did you just trade my future for a pet rock?
See?
Oh, I didn't mean to scare you. Now, where's Gruov?